Hi guys, my name is Daddy Julius and this is what is your name? What?
Una.
Ona. And today is Happy New Year Day, year 2026 and this is Mommy and this is Tita Jana. What will you say to Tita Jana?
Hi.
Hi. What about to Mommy? What will you say? Hi. What about to Daddy?
What?
What about to Daddy? What will you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
For the crabs.
I'm not Coca Crabs. Mommy Coca Crabs. You're so funny. Una, don't sit down there. Pag yan nabagsak ko, mabasag ang egg ko. Ayun, makikita mo yung egg doon. Basag yan. Tapos ikaw dyan. Okay.
Hello.
Well done. Happy New Year!
Happy ugly man.
Happy New Year!
Happy pangit.
Pangit New Year. Why yung pangit New Year? Why pangit New Year? Pangit New Year. May scared ikaw sa mga fireworks?
Yeah.
Why are you scared to fireworks?
It's a secret.
Secret! What happens if it's New Year?
일단 여기 안 계셔야 되는
Secret.
You're so funny. Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye na ikaw.
Bye-bye. Julius tablet.
Bye-bye, Julius tablet. You're so kulit. This is una sukulit.
Goodbye, dark tablet.
Tablet.
Goodbye, iTablet.
Ay, tablet.
Goodbye, Peppa Pig tablet.
Tablet. Okay, bye guys.